Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I'll show you a VS Code extension which is used for coding and web development. It's better than Claude and Cursor, it's similar to them. It's called as AskCodi.com. This is the website or product name, AskCodi.com. If you visit this, they do provide the 7 days free trial. So this tool is helpful for generating code, documenting your code and debugging your code. It's similar to ChatGPT or GitHub Copilot. It's an AI coding assistant. So this is their website here, and the pricing model, if you see, they have the premium model which $149 per month. You will get 500 AI credits. It has access to all the unlimited usage for Claude, and then you can 7 days activate your free trial. Just log in with your GitHub account or Google account. Simply select, and then you just need to install their VS Code extension. Let me just show you. So right here, you will go to the extensions and just type here AskCodi, and you will see this is the extension in VS Code, 15,000 installs. So simply activate this extension. So once you activate this, you will see this option appearing in the sidebar section, Ask Codi. Simply activate this. So once you activate this, you need to please add your API key to or use Ask Codi API. So right here you will get this option, ask anything using Codi chat. So you basically write the question in the prompt right here. You can choose the base model. So here you just need to add the Ask Codi API key. Here you need to paste your API key. So once you log in, so just go to the website, just log in, click on start 7 days free trial. Or you can click sign up right here and sign up using your so then after that you can paste that API key right here. So this is the integrations which are given right here. If you see, so they also have the sandbox account right here itself. This is their cloud editor, which basically you make a basic FPS game. So it generated all the files for us. You will see this is a complete game. It's built right here. You can click the plus icon. So this is a tool, guys. Definitely check out this, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.